Hi guys, and welcome to BRW tutorials. In this tutorial, we have a show on how you can set resources and service for a particular product. Now let's get into this video. If you want to set resources for a product, you go over Products, Add New. Let's go to Resources tab. You can add unlimited payable resources. Depending on rental type, you can set it either per day, per hour, or on order basis. For example, I select day rental type. I can set it either per day or per order. I select hour rental type. I can set it per hour or per order. I select transportation rental type. I can set it per order. Suppose you select hour rental type and you let your customer rent your car for $30 per hour. If you want to show resources in booking form and request booking form, you go over Woocommerce Settings, Booking and Rental, Product Details, Booking Form tab. Let's go to Show Resources tab. You can tick the checkbox if you want to show resources in booking form. And if you want to show resources and service in cart, checkout, order detail page, you can tick the checkbox. Move on Request Form tab. If you want to show resources in request form, you can tick the checkbox. After setting resources, you can set service for a product. You can add unlimited payable service. Besides, you can also offer unlimited payable options for each service. Depending on rental type, you can set it either per day, per hour, or on order basis. For example, if you select day rental type, you can set it per day or per order. If you select hour rental type, you can set it per hour or per order. If you select transportation rental type, you can set it per order. Suppose you select hour rental type. You can set that a service is required or not by selecting Yes, No in the Required drop-down. If you want to show service in a request form and booking form, you go over WooCommerce settings, booking and rental, product details, booking form tab. You can tick the checkbox if you want to show service in booking form. You can tick the checkbox if you want to show resources and service in cart, checkout, order detail page. Move on request form tab. You can tick the checkbox if you want to show service in request form. Go to the front end. Suppose a customer makes a booking from 2nd of August at 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. that day. You select resources. You select services. Try booking. Our plugins prevents from booking because this field is required. So a customer has to select service. You can see the total amount is $71, including $60 for 2 rental hours, $3 for Wi-Fi, $2 for one driver with 5-year experience for 2 rental hours. $6 for basic baby chairs. You can see detailed calculation for the resources and service that the customer has selected. In cart, in checkout, in order page, Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.